Why are the cops searching schoolboys in Spanish Town this evening? The reason the police are telling you to make sure your son has an ID. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the latest on the Portland communities cut off by landslides.
Parish Council polls announced, but do you even know your councillor? Andre Jebinson has a special report.
A quarrel in Hanover over the candidate selection by the JLP.
And in the financial week, Lasco Financial says it will launch 2 flagship financial centres this month.
There's also international stories, bite of the week, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
We're asking, do you know the name of your councillor? Why or why not?
You can also share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.